Yeah. How you feel? Can you hear us back there? Any vocal? Okay.
I'm sorry I missed that part.
You're fine.
I was
You're
trying to
fine.
figure out what my loop was. So sorry.
I'm done.
Jordan has your vocal too.
The vocal host good. I'm cool.
Is your vocal pretty good too?
Yes. Can I get some lows in my mic?
Yeah, sure.
And I think I'll be good because my T's are 10.
Jeez, gee, it's too tricky.
Check 1, 2. Very good. Thank you.
Thank
Yes.
you.
And we're just gonna run through each song so we make sure the levels are good.
Mm-hmm.
What you need, T?
A little more background vocal.
A little more background in his wedge.
I forgot the ooh already.
So we can do perfect 10. We'll just do the verse and the hook, and then we go into the.
Okay.
I know when I step in your room, it offends you, yeah. I know you. And if I give you attention, I tend to. Don't you know it, babe? It ain't easy to ignore me, babe. Just don't get in my way. I don't quiet down for no buster boy. I know you hear the frown when you hear my voice. It's not my job, baby, making you comfortable. It ain't easy standing 10 feet tall. When you walk around with the same face, I'll be getting bang, bang. Woo! This from mine. Don't forget my glow. This skin of mine is not easy. The way that I dress, the way that I smile, it's not easy. It ain't easy. It's not easy. It ain't easy being 10, y'all. Top 10, perfect 10. That sounds great, you guys. How y'all feel? Okay. Let's do Real Love for Christmas since we didn't get to that one. This is my new Christmas song, y'all, called Real Love for Christmas. Everybody wants gifts, but I need love. Just a smile and a kiss and a big hug. Somebody to love me through the good and bad. Show me things that I never ever had. Oh, I'm begging you, Santa. This is all I want for Christmas. All I want is a real love on Christmas Day. All I want is a real love. Don't want nothing. All I want is a real love on Christmas Day. One more time. All I want is a real love on Christmas Day. One more time. When I wake up, the first verse. Start for the first verse real quick.
Hold on.
Mhm. Real love on Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right. We'll do the just the first verse again in the hook. See, everybody wants gifts, but I need love. Just a smile and a kiss and a big hug. Somebody to love me through the good and bad. Show me real love on Christmas Day. What's the other one?
Different way every time.
I did. Which one?
The song we just did?
That's okay.
I'm good. I got it, baby. All right, next song, Ten Commandment. Teach Me. Yeah. We just running straight, just running through real quick. Yeah, I'm unpredictable sometimes live because I go with the spirit of the Lord. But y'all are so professional. Please bear with me. Ooh, oh, I gotta apologize beforehand. As I go back to the moments in my life, yeah, all I see is broken memories. Oh, I've been abused and disrespected. All I ever wanted was a little affection. I was alone. I was searching for someone to come and save me. I'm crying. I was crying. I was wondering why this gotta happen to me. Teach me how to love. Teach me how to cry. Can you show me the way to get back? 'Cause I don't wanna die holding on to the past. I'm trying my best to survive. Teach me. It's been a long time coming, but I know I'm gonna make this. I'm on a mission to teach my sisters how to love, to teach my mama how to love. 'Cause it only takes one of us, hey, to make a change, to sacrifice. We're on my mind, yeah. 'Cause I'm tired. I'm terrified. Why this has to happen? Why this have to happen? How could this be? Okay, we good. All right. How you feel with that? Cool. Yes, yes. When I go like this, it's like one little standing moment. Yes, sir.
And I'm okay on that note, right?
Yes. We're gonna.
Go over and do a smooth explanation.
All right. And then the last one is let's do Boss Lady, because I think we good on 10 Commitment.
We could probably go with
Both. Okay. 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 Cool. Let's do Girl, My Own Babe. Got my own bag, don't want for nothing. My family's my your vice, baby. Big boss, big moves. Give me all your money, let me flip it for you. I'm a boss lady. Big boss, big moves. Give me all your money, let me flip it for you. Big bag, big move. Big bag, big move. I'm a boss lady. Big boss, big moves. Give me all your money and reach. I don't really care what I gotta say. We got big plans, not big either way. You want it, yeah. What's mine? It's yours forever. Give it all I got. I'm a boss lady, big boss, big boss. Give me all your money, let me flip it for you. Big boss, big boss. Give me all your money, let me flip it for you. All right, last one. We out of here. Take a minute.
All right.
On this particular song, Nick, can I get a little bit of reverb on this particular? Yeah. This one didn't teach me. call my phone no more. You should have said on the side of the road. I'ma pass you up. I'ma hit that pole. I'm gonna smash you. You should have stand by me.
Hey, yeah, y'all. Fantastic, y'all.
Everyone feel pretty good?